I'm going to use Minitab Express to find the confidence intervals for the mean, a 95 and a 90% confidence interval for mu when sigma is known. From a random sample of 50 days in a recent year, U.S. gasoline prices had a mean of $3.17 and assume the population standard deviation is 22 cents. To find a confidence interval using Minitab Express, you want to click on your Statistics tab and go down to this part that says one sample. And because the population standard deviation is assumed to be known, we want to use the option where we're estimating mu when sigma is known, and we're going to be using the z distribution. So you want to click on that one. And we have the summarized data for this problem. We could have all 50 values in one column. If that was the case, we would just leave this as the default setting. But in this situation, I have the summarized data. The sample size was 50. Sample mean was $3.17. And my known standard deviation was 22 cents. Now, if I click on OK from here, it's going to output the 95% confidence interval for mu. So in other words, it defaults to presenting the 95% confidence interval. We'll see that it goes from $3.11, rounding to 2 decimal places, up to $3.23. Now, to get the 90% confidence interval, we could click on this Make Similar. So it takes us back to that screen. Now, if I leave everything the same and click on OK, I'm going to get the same output. So what I want to do to change the level of confidence is I want to click on Options. Now I want my level of confidence to be 90. Now I click on OK, and we'll see that the confidence interval limits have changed. Okay, so we're starting from $3.12 up to $3.22. And again, if you wanted to get a 99% confidence interval for mu, you can go back to Make Similar, go back to Options, and scroll down to 99. And then we'll get the 99% confidence interval for that population mean. One thing to notice is that as we increase our level of confidence, the confidence interval limits will get wider.